we were in China. I went to see one of our suppliers in Shenzhen, and I met the sales rep, and she was like so excited. I was like, why are you so excited? She goes, I've never seen a white person before. I was like, what?
Really?
She's like got like 100 or 150 clients, and she deals with them on a daily basis, and she owns it, and ours is one of her accounts, right? And I was like, what do you mean you've never met any of the people that you deal with? She goes, no. And I think that's just testament to the fact that we met. She came out with the boss, she helped translate with the boss, and then we built a relationship. I took her a gift, I took the boss a gift, went out to dinner, had a few beers, Gambay. We got amazing terms. We actually got 20% deposit, 80%, 80 days after. So we've sold for it twice before we got paid for the majority of it. But imagine we have a great Lightning deal, we have a great Christmas, and we're running out of stock. And I go, can you bump my production up to the front, or can you help me? Can you help me out? Do you think she's going to help me, or the 149 people she never met before? So having that relationship and having that sort of that leverage with your supplier just by going over there, like flying to China and meeting your supplier pays for itself 100 times over.